Ladies and gentlemen, next, we would like to welcome our valedictorian, Mr. Wan Muhammad AIZAT bin Wan Ali, to the stage to deliver his speech. Please welcome Wan Muhammad AIZAT bin Muhammad Ali.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, and the most beneficent. In the name of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the blessing of all mankind. The Honorable Vice Chairman, Majlis Amanah Rakyat, Directors, members of MARA, GMI Management Team, GMI Technical Training Officer, my parents, family members, sponsors, my loved ones, and all graduates. Assalamu alaikum und guten Tag. First of all, I feel really honored to give my speech in front of everyone to this stage for this special day, German-Malaysian Institute 28 Konvokesyen ceremony. My name is Wan Muhammad AIZAT bin Wan Ali, and I would like to take this great opportunity to express my gratitude to GMI for choosing me as the recipient of the Prize of Honor for Excellent Award and Board of Director Award for this convocation ceremony. First and foremost, I will not be standing on this stage without my parents, Umi, Abah. Thanks to their power of dua, their blessings and sacrifices propel me toward this magnificent accomplishment. So I would like to bow with full of respect and a loving heart to my Umi and Abah for all the support that you guys have provided me with the best gift ever, this best education opportunity. Terima kasih tak tinggal buat Umi Abah yang Izzat sayang. Thank you. My father is my hero. He inspired me with his great courage, volunteering as a soldier for NATO during Bosnian-Serbian War. My mother, she is my heroine, who kept me safe and healthy until who I am right now. She's such a great mother. Of course she is. Also, of course not to forget, GMI staff and TTOs who provided us with the best, valuable, and incredible learning for every single subject for each semester, providing theoretical and practical knowledge until we become a useful person. Without all of you, we will never be here proudly wearing our convocation robes. Ladies and gentlemen, to all my fellow graduates, I would like to congratulate for your hard work, struggle, determination, spirit, tears, good intention, and right values. And I hope you can eventually hold up your achievement for who you are right now. Congratulations, congratulations 2022. For 3 years, we spent good and challenging time together in this prestigious accomplishment what you had hoped for over the last 3 or 5 years. Some of us pursue studies internationally or locally, or maybe working at your dream company that appreciates you. To all my fellow friends, Joven, and also to my other friends, my TTO, Miss Shakrin, Miss Sarah, and other TTOs, Sir Fuad. Remember when we are struggling to finish our frustrating PBL and lab assessment? I remember the day that we did our practical assessment, the machining until late night. We assumed it was like OT class, or when we were struggling doing a video bullying during semester 1. Remember Miss Yasmin? Or in semester 3, when we had a late night discussion at KT2 or MPU4 activities. I will never forget the time when we were working hard for FYP preparation. Some of us stayed on campus until the next morning. My CPT friends and I had a wild time together, sleeping at a CNC machining workshop. We were camping out and sleeping somewhere inside the workshop. I know that sounds crazy, but we made these amazing memories that we will never regret remembering. Now, each of us will focus on your own life goals, and we will grow up to become more adults. But keep this in mind. Whenever you are feeling overwhelmed in life for problems and obstacles, remember this. Know your worth, know your value. That's my advice. And you will realize it soon. Let me share this, you a story. Before this, I suffer from depression and anxiety, but primarily in depression. I sometimes think all of us kids do it in some way. How could we not be happy with the world it is? We heard a lot of promises that things will improve, hoping unrealistic expectations, and look, maybe they will, maybe they won't. What I think I've learned and what I want to say to you is that, number one, whatever happened, keep moving and move on. Get through it. Choose to live. Secondly, not all the beauty that you see will bring you luck. Number three, stop being available to unavailable people. You only have yourself, so you need to take care of yourself first. Then you will be loved. Number four, never ruin a good day by thinking about yesterday. Always be in present. And the last one, believe in yourself and be who you are. Don't change your vibe to fit in someone's life. Before I end up my speech, please give me some time to express this to my parents from down here watching this young man right here, right now. Buat Umi Abah. Lihatlah anak kecilmu sekarang. Dia yang berada kat pentas Konvokesyen ni sudah besar jadi orang dewasa. Bahkan semakin menua. Mas Izzat bukan menjadi seorang yang tua Umi. Tapi di usia Izzat sekarang ni rasanya sudah tak layak untuk mengeluh dengan perihal hidup yang tak sesuai dengan harapan. Sudah banyak perkara yang tanpa diminta menjadi tugas yang terpaksa Izzat laksanakan. Izzat masih ingat apa yang pernah dinasihatkan Abah dulu. Kalau Izzat harus jadi manusia yang kuat, dah ada gunanya manusia yang tabah seperti Abah. Harus tahan kepenatan, harus tahan kekecewaan, harus tahan menanggung bebanan yang mungkin tak semua orang boleh lakukan semua itu. Umi, Abah, Terus yakinkan Izzat bahawa Izzat perlu percaya. Dan mula ikhlas bahawa hidup ni sudah diatur oleh Allah sedemikian indah. Bahawa hal-hal yang ada di depan mata boleh dijalani dengan sebaik lafaz syukur. Alhamdulillah. Umi, Abah, ini adalah antara hadiah dan anugerah yang terbaik. Izzat telah lelahkan keringat diri membuktikan doa dan restu dari Umi dan Abah takkan pernah diperlakukan kerana oleh Allah. Malah Allah lebih sayangkan Umi. Izzat yakin Allah lebih sayang ke Umi apa? Mungkin ucapan terima kasih bukanlah satu hadiah yang paling bernilai. Tapi perkara yang paling bernilai melebihi segunung permata adalah harapan Izzat agar Umi dan Abah berada di bawah cinta, kasih sayang, berkat dan rahmat Allah. Itu yang Izzat harapkan daripada Allah. Umi, Abah. Kalau bukan Umi, Abah tak restu Izzat, Izzat takkan berada ke atas pentas ni. Dengan segala restu Umi, doa Umi, Abah, Izzat sekarang berada ke atas ni dengan 2 awards. Love you, Umi, Abah. Terima kasih, Umi, Abah. Now, everyone, let us stand up and bow to our parents, families, and the TTOs to show our gratitude. Okay, to my graduates, so you may stand up. So you all can stand up, so we can bow to our TTOs and to all GMI staff. Stand up. All right, so you guys are ready? All right, on the count of 3, tunduk hormat to our TTOs. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, TTO. Kepada semua TTO, saya sebagai wakil pelajar, kepada semua graduan, bagilah restu dan terima kasih dan maafkan segala dosa kami sekiranya kami telah melakukan apa-apa kesalahan. Restulah segala ilmu yang semua TTO dan staf telah yang bagi kepada anak-anak murid. Terima kasih TTOs. Next, to all my graduates, you can turn around to your parents. You see your parents over there? You may turn around. So I need you to tunduk hormat to our parents on count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, parents. To all parents, kepada ibu bapa, saya mohon kepada untuk anak-anak, wakil anak, maafkan mereka, bagilah restu dan sentiasa doa kejayaan mereka sentiasa. Thank you. To end my speech, I would like to thank you for everyone for being a part of the chapter of my life. that has led me to this point of success. We are no longer GMI students, but we are GMI alumni, and we will never forget the sweet and bitter memories that we have of this German-Malaysian Institute. I know it is very hard to express this, but you know what? I don't want to say goodbye because this one means forever. So sometimes I'll say, I'll see you soon. But this time, I have to say this. Goodbye, congratulations, good luck, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Wan Muhammad AIZAT bin Wan Ali, for your heartfelt speech. And congratulations to Wan Muhammad AIZAT, and congratulations to his parents.